Jim Tech Buzz new video, and today we've got the FUJIFILM Instax Mini Evo in black, hybrid instant camera. So here you've got a lens dial and you've got a film dial, which you'll see in a minute. And on the back, high quality print, direct print, save printed images and remote shooting. So we're just going to unbox it first to give you a quick look. And you can see you've got a mini LCD screen here as well, which is pretty cool. And you can choose the new Instax Rich mode for richer colours and the highest colours, highest Instax print quality to date. Turn camera into a printer and send to your phone, which is cool. And you can save as well to your smartphone, and you can shoot pictures remotely by controlling the camera with your smartphone. Pretty nice. So I'll bring that in a bit closer there so you can read it and pause if you wish to do so. On the side there, give you more images, and up on the front, that's what it has there. And that's the lens and the film dials. So these are the new films here, Instax Mini. Let's have a look at these first. And open. So that's the film cartridge there. If you're familiar with these cameras, that's what they all look like. Pretty nice. So I'm just going to unbox this today, and then you can have a look at the full review later on. We'll go through everything on it with the app and all that kind of stuff and what you can do as we normally do, which seems to be very popular on site and on our YouTube channel as well, as we go through what you get, what to do and all that kind of stuff. And that's it. So let's get the box open and have a look at what else is inside. So we get the camera, we get some cables, and of course some booklets. So just pop all them aside. So you have your power cable here, which is USB-A, micro USB. Come on lads, 2022, USB-C. You've got this nice strap here, which is fairly long and decent, and it's leather, and it's got Instax on it there on the front, which is really nice. And plastic buckles and catches. You've got this part here. So you can tie the two in, and you can wear it around your neck or carry it up to yourself. And that's all that there. So here's the camera itself. So we have a digital screen here on the front, which is cool. And you've got menu button there, back button, plus, and looks like a play button. It's probably skip your tracks or your picture, so they say. And here is the lanyard. And there is your two dials, which is pretty cool. You've got two buttons here up on top as well, so bring that in a bit closer so you can have a look. You've got print. And on the front, you've got your selfie mirror, should you wish. You've got another little toggle here, on and off. FUJIFILM Instax, you can hear that there. It's turning on and off something. Your flash and all here, and your light, and another button thing up on the front here, and you can spin it there as well. So your focus range there is 0.1, and your Instax lens 28mm f2.0. So that's what it looks like there. And on the back here, you've got these buttons here, and this looks like a door that will open. Yeah, that's the door there. You'll pop your film in here, and let's see if there's any actually power in it, just for pig iron. So yeah, that's the door there, but I haven't seen a port to charge it yet, unless that is underneath there, but we'll have to check that out. So, as per usual, the first picture comes out when you pop these in. And that's basically what it looks like there. So I'm going to see. I don't think there is any power in this. So we've no power in it there at the moment. You can see the red LED needs to be charged up. But that's what it's going to look like there, and you'll have your screen up on front here. So that's it for the quick first look and unboxing. Full review soon on techbuzzlearn.com, and of course we'll have a look at the app as well, just to let you know what it's all about if you're considering to pick one of these up. But in general, these cameras are pretty cool. Very, very popular. If you've got this kind of leather finish on the back here and on the front, and the kind of this old style look as well, but still keeping it current. It looks really nice. It's a camera you carry around with you. It's smaller and compact than some of the other ones available in the range. And that's it. Quick first look at the Instax Mini Evo. Stay tuned for a full review soon. Any questions, hit them up below and we'll gladly answer.